Hello everyone. This crucial stage in the frame optimization process is Manage Auto Layout of Standard Frames. In this step, the plugin shows a list of frames that are not in auto layout. As we can see, the heading title called Frame is not set to auto layout. We recommend using the auto layout for UiChemy. To apply the auto layout to the selected frame, click the Fix button. Auto layout in Figma is like using the CSS Flexbox property. You can set different layout positions and alignments to place the child elements. In this step, the plugin maintains the frames and layout while applying auto layout to it. This feature accelerates frame to auto layout conversion. As a result, you may use auto layout more easily and quickly, and you will not miss any frames. As we can see, the plugin maintains the space between the elements while applying auto layout. The top container named frame has a distance value. It will be transformed into FlexGap after fixing it. We're going to modify the static value to auto to make it more responsive. All right, we are going to fix the infobox frame. There are 7 more frames like the infobox01 frame. To apply auto layout to them, just select the 7 frames and click the Fix button. If you change your mind or the layout breaks after clicking the Fix button, you can use the Undo option to reverse the changes. You can ignore the frame if auto layout breaks your design, or if you prefer to design manually on the WordPress side. All ignored or newly added frames will be listed again when you click the Rescan button. This will update the list, removing the fixed frames. Let's apply auto layout to all the frames. Be sure to modify the Flexbox properties for better responsiveness in the exported result. Okay, after completing all the optimization steps, our design is ready for export. Let's check the result. As we can see, after optimization, our exported result closely matches the Figma design. Let's check the backend. Okay, we missed setting the alignment of the text while applying auto layout. No problem, let's fix it here.